शिवशक्त्यायतोय भवतु सत्यप्रभवितं न चेदेवं देवो न खलु कुशलस्वन्तुमपि अतस्वाम् आराध्यां हरिहर विरञ्जादु विरवे प्रणतुं सोतुं कथमकृत पुण्यः प्रभवति
Good morning. The world of corporate affairs and others. My namaskaram to our group chairman, Shri Kolavidiyamman. This is Suvasini Kannan, technical head of AMN, is going to take you all through a corporate film on AMN Global Group. Thank you.
Good morning, team.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, this is Sriram, director of AMN Global Group. As you all know, we are in our 10th year of our operations. It's been an exciting and eventful journey for AMN Global Group for the past 10 years. I know Dr. R.J. Ramnarayan, and much before the start of AMN Global Group, along with Mr. Kailash, our mentor.
Dear all, I am Kailash, correspondent of Singaramala Metropolitan School and NSP Vidyapeetham. I am associated with the AMN Global Project since 2010, and I know Dr. R.J. Ramnarayan much before that.
Madam, what an amazing 10 years of journey which we have compiled into a corporate film.
What it has?
Our journey has everything: sports, education, dance, drama, cultural gathering, and above all, an amazing film.
That is AMN.
No other company in this field would have achieved all this. Thanks to our group chairman Kolavidiyamman for this. Friends, sit back and enjoy our corporate film. Thank you.
They will enjoy.
What we achieved by divine grace is phenomenal. Now Mr. R.J. Ramnarayan will take over.
Thank you so much. Thanks team for bringing the journey to this level, and from here on, as said by our Guru, I'll take it up further. My dear friends, AMN Global Group started in the year of 2010, December 16 as AMN Global Project.
Good morning, this is Mohan Raj, Executive Director of AMN Natya Tirula. A question to our MD.
Yes, Mr. Mohan Raj.
What was the first event, sir?
AMN has done many events. I already told you. But I'm going to take up from the major event, which is Gandhi Kick Express. You might ask me why. If you take a family, the father is the most important person. If you take a country also, our the only country has got a father by name Mahatma Gandhi. And as you all know, when Gandhi came into India, Gokhale asked him to take over the Congress. And he said, I don't know anything about India. He said, you travel by train, you'll come to know about the country. And he did that. When he got to the train, he was just Mohandas. But when he got down, he went to the level of Mahatma. This was the major event of AMN, which happened the year of 2016. Prior to that also we did Gandhi in 2015 in a smaller way. But the big major event post 2015 was Gandhi and Kick Express.
அக்டோபர் 2ஆம் தேதி நடக்கக்கூடிய விழா வந்து இந்திய அளவில் உலக அளவில் பேசக்கூடிய ஒரு விழா. ஒவ்வொரு செக்லேயும் 147 பேர். ஏன்னா அவரோட வயசு 147 பர்த்டேங்கிறதுனால பாடுறவங்க 147 பேர், மியூசிக் அவங்க 147, ஆடுறவங்க 147, அறுசுவை உணவும் 147.
கணபதி மகாகணபதி மனச ஸ்மராமி. वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दित महागणपतिं
morning.
Yes,
Sir,
Sharif.
what is our major event after Gandhi Cake Express?
Yes, Sharif. You also there. You are the main person for that. After Gandhi Cake Express, our major event of on Abdul Kalam. It was so unfortunate, we lost Kalam in that year of 2015. But after that, we thought we should do something, for this great soul. So we celebrated his birthday in the best possible manner at City Center. It was the 85th birthday of Abdul Kalam. We made 850 kgs of cake. Now when you go to see the visual, you will see the amount of gathering, more than 5,000 people are there.
எல்லாரும் கூட்டணிகளை பாராட்டுகிறது வருகிறது. இன்னும் நல்ல சத்தமாக கேட்டுருக்காங்க.
And thanks to you, we also want to honor teachers because his passion is teaching. You brought in about 100 number of teachers. We also honored 216 teachers with a frame certificate, medal, shawls, etc. by the hands of our former MP of India, Mr. Arun's son, at the City Center. And it was one of our major events which saw the maximum number of audience. It's not because of we made the event, it's because the event for Mr. Kalam. And we also made a caption, you the Mahatma again, and we are going to be the Kalam.
Sir, after Gandhi and Kalam's birthday celebration, what was our major next event, sir?
After Gandhi and Kalam Bharti, you also know we all were there. We did Women's Women Award function from the year 2015 onwards. And the entire world celebrates International Women's Day. But we thought we should do it in a different way. We brought in people from various sectors. Not only they're not dignified and qualified sectors. Because even a woman in a house is needed. The servant maids are needed. And we need to honor them. We also had different categories of award. The best award was the Woman of the Century Award, which we gave to the top 3 legends of our country. One is from your west, Ms. Lata Mangeshkar.
உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் என்னுடைய அன்புள்ள வாழ்த்துக்கள். சென்னைக்கும் எனக்கும் பல வருஷத்தோடு சம்பந்தம். Shri Ram Narayan ji and panel of judges. Woman of the Century Award आपने मुझे दिया है. मैं आपकी बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ और आपकी बहुत आभारी हूँ. I wish the AMN Global Group lots of luck and my good wishes are always with them.
From our own city of Chennai, Guinness Award P. Shushila. And above all, the person who's saving so many lives from cancer, Madam Shanta. These 3 legends were given at different years. The Woman of the Century Award with other legends. Plus, we also had a general category award where we gave them the title called Woman's Woman Award. It means you are the woman among the women. And all this event were happened in one of the top 5-star hotels of the city, Hyatt Regency Hotel. We also had our cultural programs. We had quiz competitions. We gave them gold coins for the winners. We also gave them a fabulous lunch, dinner, and everybody was given a frame certificate with sari, makeup kit, and whatnot. The reason is woman. Without woman, there is no man. If you see, man is within woman. He is within she. And you and I have come out of woman. So it is our duty to honor the women of the country. We salute them.
Sir, post Women's Award.
After Women's Award function, as the policy of AMN is to celebrate the celebrities when they are living. Let me repeat, celebrate the celebrities when they are living. Like we did our Sushilama, we did for Deva. Prior to that, the singing legend of our country, Bharat Ratna Lata Mangeshkar, me and our Guru Prabhu had a chance to meet her in her residence. And that time we have been asked to do a book launch on her, stage on Lata. And we said yes immediately, who will say no to that? And we did that program at our Kamaraj Hall.
thank you Ramnarayan ji, Honorable Dilip ji, Gangai ji, Dr. Venkatraman ji, Rachna ji, CA Sahab, Salim Sahab, and very respectable Chennai. Vanakkam. It's a matter of great privilege and honor to be part of the gathering which is there on the stage. We grew up, as Salim ji has said, watching Mr. Venk Sarkar play his trademark shots with great elan and elegance and whatnot. So to be on your right side, sir, it's a matter of personal privilege and honor to be. And equally honored I am to be associated with Bharat Ratna Lata ji's name in any manner. This is a momentous occasion for all of us. She, to my mind, is one of the greatest gifts God has given to our great nation. It is when she sings, it's divine. So thank you, Ramnarayan ji, thank you for making me a part of this great show.
I invite the best cricketers India has ever produced, Mr. Colonel Dilip Venkatrakar ji, to come forward, launch the book. Prior to that, a few words to the audience.
Mr. Ramnarayan, thank you very much for the kind words. This is one of the very rare occasions I am batting number 11. When I was asked by Ramnarayan in Mumbai, when he came to Mumbai and said that he would launch this book of Lata Mangeshkar.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please sit.
Thank you. I'm happy to be in your chamber.
I'm also.
As our events till 2017 were on social and entertainment front. But what made you to take AMN into the education field of education?
Yeah, see, the entire country needs a proper education. Because we need proper education, so we at AMN decided in one of our meeting that we should do something with that. We were to do a conclave on education. They asked what? I said, if you take every classroom, the uniforms which they're wearing is proper, but scoring of marks is not uniform. So why don't we do something on that? They said, what can we do on that? I said, we'll have a conclave. In that 5 conclaves, we'll bring the theme as uniform in scoring marks.
Good evening to all. The idea of this particular conclave is that to bring uniformity in marks. To bring uniformity in marks is possible or not is separate. Whether we can achieve it or not is separate. But whether together we can at least have the thought is more important. For that only this conclave is being organized.
Which will make the students and the children agree. The theme is when a child can score 80% of marks in one subject and 15 other subjects, why don't we make the child to score 80 in all subjects? That is a motto. That prompted me to bring an education conclave, a 5-series conclave, not even one, from aim to achievement, where we brought all the Kendriya Vidyalaya school teachers and other CBSE school teachers. We brought big guest lecturers.
Very good evening to all. There is no PowerPoint presentation today. A billion to the principal of this institution, Thiru Manikaswamy sir, the great orator and then visionary, Mr. Ramnarayan sir, and the great teachers, the whom we love a lot, we cherish a lot, we salute a lot. I could able to see that actually there are great people in the world who thought the great ideas to the generations. Who will be the top of the world? When you are going to the top, at the moment in which they are being recognized by the whole world, they remember the parents, and then the next phase is the teacher. So definitely, I want that your every one of the name and fame, and then your figures should be come out from the every minds of the children, those who are studying with you. And this session definitely will help you to upgrade the every individual. The individual upgradation will definitely lead to the growth of the society. The growth of the society will become the growth of the state. The growth of the state will lead to the India and to the greater heights. Thank you all.
From various cities of India, as from overseas, plus Kendriya Vidyalaya, Mr. Mal was there on his birthday, which is on August, followed by Mr. Kavre. He came on the 4th of Education Conclave.
Good morning, everybody. It is really a very big privilege to be here on the eve of Dr. Kalam's birthday. Nothing can be more auspicious than that. And this month again is having the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. We all salute these two personalities. And our real salute will be to emulate them and to put their words, put their messages into practice. I really am very much thankful to Dr. Ram Narayan. My humble salute, Uday Narayan salute to Mr. Ram Narayan for the same cause that we are doing, trying to improve the standards of academics in the country, because the future of our country will be decided by today's classrooms only. The topic also is quite attractive. It is a very love and hate topic for me. When you say that what is the necessity of uniformity in marks, really it is very, very important for all of us to know that every creature on earth wants excellence. It is the innate quality of creation, because we are the creations of the Paramatman. Om Purnaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. My way of approaching your topic, how everybody should aim for 100% marks. Let the student decide whether 90 is their 100% or 50 is their 100% or 100 is their 100%. Thank you very much.
In this conclave, he said, don't make the child to do what you want, make the child to do what he wants. And he also said one very important factor, when you give milk to the child, don't expect the child to give back the milk, which is not going to serve the purpose. When you give milk, make the child to give the ghee, which will serve the society better. Our own Abdul Kalam said, give me a child for 7 years. After that, even evil or devil takes, the child will not change. But here, the child is with the school for 14 long years. For Kalam, 7 years is enough, because he's a legend to change a child or mold a child. But people like us need 14 years, double the time. So this 14 years of time, we can structure not the child, the society, because the future society belongs to these children. In fact, when you see Mr. Kavre addressing, he said, the future of India lies in these classrooms. That's a fact. We studied, today we are contributing some way to the society. They are studying, they are going to contribute to the society, because future doctors, future engineers, future pilots, future chartered accountants, future everybody, including from the clerk, is going to come from one of the classrooms of our country. So let's make the classrooms a better place for the child to learn and live in the future. And for them, how to study is in our hands to make them to understand, and above all, make them to realize I should have uniformity in my life right from the day one. I am working in a company. My first month's salary is 10,000. My next month's salary is 9,000. The third month's salary is 8,000. Will I accept, or will any of you accept?
Definitely.
No, right?
No.
You want the same, because you want the uniformity. Yes or no?
Yes.
Same way, when you don't want to compromise on your earning, why you want to compromise on your learning? Alright? Without learning, there is no earning. Then why should not we have uniformity in learning? So make uniformity in learning, earning uniformity automatically becomes. The society gets benefited. So this education conclave in the month of July 2017 was launched. We had 5 series from July, August, September, October, November. The November month conclave, we made all the teachers to stay at Hayat. We gave them a night stay because for them to do a group study to bring it out the next day, the module. And all this thing together made all the teachers realize the value of uniform scoring marks, which they took back to the respective schools, made the children to achieve, and all of them came back and said, these conclaves have helped us for us to realize first, which in turn made our children to realize, and today we are benefited by that. That is where we stand tall in form of revamping the education. Let me repeat, revamping the education.
Mr. Tirunavukarasu, who's the best ever speech been delivered, only one line, which is the line of truth find out. And as I said on the first conclave, those grey areas we want to convert to green areas. Luckily, all those grey areas we are converted to green areas. Proof is these teachers today coming on the stage and echoing our voice, uniformity in marks is what is reality of life. And this shows the country will evolve.
Sir, what made you to move into film, sir?
Yeah, Mr. Mohan Raj, you know, you are in the field of film also, as a censor board member. Today, if you take country, there are two things which has got the impact on the society. One is sports, one is film.
School campus. School campus. School campus. School campus.
School campus.
School campus.
My campus! School campus! If you take the field of film, which is there ages, and it's going to be there till the world exists. We thought the education is the most important factor of the country, should spread across the nation, because our education conclave geography is less. But through a film, the country can be covered. So we all took a decision that we should launch a movie in the field of education to the society, which will make the society realize, oh, this is how the education should be. Unless the realization happen, nothing can happen. The motto of our movie is one India, one syllabus and one language.
If you go to foreign countries, the entire geography of the country, they have one syllabus, one language and one examination. There is no discrimination among the students when they study. A change in the education policy. India should have one syllabus with one language and one examination, sir. This not, I am not talking at only +2 level. From first and onwards, this should be, sir. Then see how the country becomes.
With that, our first clap of the movie was done at Delhi by the Kendriya Commissioner, Mr. Mal.
Roll.
School campus movie. Short one, take one.
Action.
School campus. Short two, take two.
Was supportive enough to give us the Kendriya premises to shoot our entire movie.
School campus, movie, shot 3, take 3, on.
I'm so glad to be present on the wonderful day when this movie is getting shot for the first time. On the first shot I'm here, my privilege, and I congratulate Mr. R.J. Ramnarayana and all his team.
In Chennai, where we did IIT campus, and Ashok Nagar, where our football scene was shot. We also had the privilege of a couple of Kendriya teachers and principals acting in a movie.
ஒரு கல்லூரி மாணவி தற்கொலை பண்ணிருக்கா, அதுக்கு முதல்ல பதில் சொல்லுங்க.
தாத்தை தக்கத்தை தித்தித்தை தைத்தை
சிபிஎஸ்னா வசதி இவங்கெல்லாம் தாழ்த்தியா இப்படி எல்லாம் பேசக்கூடாது.
இந்த ஆர்குமெண்ட்ல இப்ப வராதீங்க.
ஸ்கூல் லாபமோ இல்லையோ இந்த கோச்சிங் சென்டர் பணத்தை அள்ளி எடுத்துடலாம்.
5000 × 5 லட்சம். அப்பா,
எங்களுக்கு அந்த என்ட்ரன்ஸ் எக்ஸாம்க்கான கோச்சிங்க எங்க மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் ஃப்ரீயா கொடுக்கணும்.
கொடுத்துட்டா கிழிப்ப டாக்டர் ஆகி காசு சம்பாதிச்சு ஊசி போடுறதா சேவை இல்ல. ரோட்ல இறங்கி குனிஞ்சு குப்பை பொறுக்கடா, அதுவும் நாட்டுக்கு சேவை தான்.
அவனை முடிக்காம விடக்கூடாது.
அதுக்குண்டான முயற்சியை நான் எடுக்கிறேன். கூடி சீக்கிரம் அதுக்குண்டான பலன் ஒன்று தேடி வரும்.
and the theme conveyed from our movie is this: how the education system should function in our country. If it functions this fashion, the country will become a better place to live in. We also closed the movie with a caption, "Let our dream come true."
நம்ம எல்லாரும் ஒரு பெரிய சமுதாய புரட்சி மூலமா நாட்டிற்கே ஒரு நல்ல கல்வி திட்டத்தை கொண்டு வந்திருக்கோம். அதற்கு நாம எல்லாம் பெருமைப்படணும், சந்தோஷப்படணும்.
If our dream of this movie becomes reality, mark my word, our country will be a better place to live in, because we are going to have a proper education system in the country going to be kicked off after our movie release.
Reason for AMN to launch the most important Food for All.
Guru, as you know, all is the motivation to serve the society, and your question will be answered by Suhasini and as well as Mr. Kailash.
We at AMN, apart from education and finance, very keen in serving the poor and the needy. This prompted us to launch Food for All in the city of Chennai at our mentor school premises.
I am honored for that. Recent WHO survey said 2 million poor Indians go to bed without food every day. This situation made us to launch Food for All for poor and needy.
भारत में भूख बस लग रे அதனை போக்குவதே எங்களுக்கு खुशी खुशी लग रे खुशी खुशी लग रे
It is started on Mahatma Gandhi birthday, 2nd October 2017, in my school premises in front of August gathering. On average, 500 poor and needy people were given free food every day till Corona came in. After Corona, we will start with a big bang.
राम कनका ट्रस्टिन मूलम உணவளிப்போமே நாங்கள் உணவளிக்கின்றோம் ராம் கனகா ட்ரஸ்ட் ட்ரஸ்ட் ஃபுட்டளிப்பதில் பெஸ்ட் பெஸ்ட் ராம் கனகா ட்ரஸ்ட் ட்ரஸ்ட் ஃபுட்டளிப்பதில் பெஸ்ட் பெஸ்ட்.
In fact, we had our 9th year celebration also, where we also had first clap for Chhatrapati Shivaji, which is one of our passion movie which is going to come.
AMN Fine Arts, Chhatrapati Shivaji, shot one, take one.
Action! பவானியோட அருள் இருக்குப்பா உனக்கு. என்னைக்கு நீ ஜெயிச்சிருவ போர்ல, நீயே வெற்றி அடைவாய்.
ஜெய் பவானி.
ஜெய் பவானி.
தக்கதின தக்கிட்ட தக்க தக்கிட்ட எடுத்துக்கிட்டான் தக்கதின தக்கிட்ட தக்க தக்கிட்ட எடுத்துக்கிட்டான்
எல்லாருக்கும் என்னுடைய மனமார்ந்த ஆசீர்வாதங்கள், வணக்கங்கள். டாக்டர் ராமநாதன் அவருடைய முயற்சிகள் எல்லாமே வெற்றி தான் அடையும்.
வெற்றி நிச்சயம், அது வேத தத்துவம்.
Happy anniversary to Amen. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you all.
So we are 10th year with the Contributors Award.
Sir, I'm back to you with a question.
Yes.
What is the major event going on now, sir?
You are the reason behind the major event, which is in the field of dance. As you know, the year has got, as you all know, the year has got 366 days. We thought, why don't we do an event for continuous 366 days? When this idea mooted, all of you also were not in a position to accept. And a couple of them said, you always imagine things which is not possible even in imaginations. But always I believe one thing, I go by Kalam. Dream till the dream comes true. Like that, with the blessings of our group chairman Kololiamman, we started this Natya Tiruvila of Kololiamman for 366 days of classical dance.
திறமை உள்ள நடனமணிகளுக்கு நர்த்தக்காக்கு அவாக்கெல்லாம் ஒரு அந்த சரியான சமயத்தில் அவளுக்கு ஒரு உற்சாகத்தை கொடுத்து புரோத்சாகத்தை கொடுத்தாதான் கலைஞர்லாம் வளருவா. இது ஒரு நிகழ்ச்சி இல்லை, இது ஒரு நிகழ்வு இல்லை, இது ஒரு இட் இஸ் a movement.
Natya Tiruvila continues. We had the monumental days of 1, 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250, 275 and 300 monumental days we have celebrated.
இன்று 100வது நாள் 100 நாட்டியமணிகள் இந்த மேடையில் ஆடி நிகழ்ச்சி நிறைவு பாடலை பூர்த்தி செய்து 100வது நாளை வெற்றிகரமாக இப்போ நம்ம கொண்டாடி கொண்டிருக்கிறோம். இவ்வளவு சிறப்பாக இந்த நிகழ்ச்சி நீங்கள் எங்குமே கண்டிருக்க முடியாது. 5050 நடனமணிகள் இன்று ஆடி நிறைவு செய்கிறார்கள்.
உங்களோட புள்ளியார் சொல்லினால தான் நீங்கள் 100வது நாள் வந்திருக்கோம். 366 நாளும் போயிடுவோம். சாரோட ஆசீர்வாதத்தோட உங்கள் ஆசீர்வாதம் கண்டிப்பாக போயிடுவோமா.
ராம்நாராயணன் சொன்னபடி நாட்டியத்தை ரசிக்கிறதுக்காக முதல்ல என்னுடைய பாராட்டுக்கள் ராம்நாராயணுக்கு. இந்த விழாக்கு நாட்டிய விழா என்று பெயர் சூட்டினது அது ஒரு விசேஷம். பஞ்சம வேதத்தில் 5வது வேதமாக கருதப்படுகிறது நாட்டியம். அந்த ஒரு பேர் இருக்குது. பரதநாட்டியம், கதக் நாட்டியம், ஒடிசி நாட்டியம், கூச்சிப்புடி நாட்டியம். இந்த டான்ஸ் கிடையாது. ஒரு அடவு பண்ணுறதா இருந்தேன்னா தெய்யம் தத்த பண்ணோன்னா என்னோடய பொசிஷன் எனக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்கணும், என்னோடய கை எங்கே எப்படி வைக்கணும்னு ஞாபகம் இருக்கணும், முத்திரை என்ன பிடிக்கணும்னு அது ஞாபகம் இருக்கணும். அதே சமயத்தில் தாளம் என்னமோ அந்த தாளமும் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். இவ்வளோ இருக்குது. அதெல்லாம் ஒரே சமயத்தில் நடக்கிறது சம்பூர்ண யோகம். அதுக்கு தான் நம்ம நம்ம முதியோர்கள் சொல்லியிருக்காங்கோ, சம்பூர்ண யோகம் இதன் நாட்டியம். 100 யஜ்ஞம் பண்ண ஒரு பலன் தான் ஒரு நாட்டிய நிகழ்ச்சியில் நடக்கும். இப்போ இவர் 369 நாளைக்கும் நாட்டிய விழா நடத்துகிறார். அவருக்கு எவ்வளோ சிரேஷ்டம், எவ்வளோ ஸ்ரேயஸ் பகவான் கொடுப்பாருங்கிறது சொல்லக்கூடியதிலே அவளுக்கு என்னுடைய மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்துக்கள், ஆசீர்வாதம். இன்னும் மேலும் மேலும் கலைஞர்களை வளர்த்துங்கோ. கலை விழா, நாட்டிய விழா நடத்துங்கோ. எங்களுடைய உறுதுணை உங்களுக்கு உண்டுன்னு சொல்லி விடை பெறுகிறேன். வணக்கம்.
ராம்கனகா ட்ரஸ்ட் ட்ரஸ்ட் அன்னமளிப்பதில் பெஸ்ட் பெஸ்ட். ராம்கனகா ட்ரஸ்ட் ட்ரஸ்ட் அன்னமளிப்பதில் பெஸ்ட் பெஸ்ட்.
நாட்டிய ஆச்சாரியா ஸ்ரீ தனஞ்சயன் அவர்கள் இப்பொழுது குத்துவிளக்கேற்றி விழாவினை சிறப்பித்துக் கொண்டிருக்கிறார்கள். அவர்களை தொடர்ந்து திரு கோலவிழி அம்மன் திரு சேகர் அவர்கள் இப்பொழுது குத்துவிளக்கை ஏற்றி கொண்டிருக்கிறார்.
பாண்டியராஜன் பெண்ணோடு சந்திரசேகர சிந்தை பூரித்து செந்தாமரை மலரெடுத்து ஓங்கியும் பகவன் நேராக அடித்தார் தாங்கி தடாதகை தக்கிணக்கிணக்கத்தோம் தகக்கிணக்கிணக்கத்தோம் ஜீங்குநாங்குத்தோம் கிணாங்குத்தோம் பெருகிணாங்குத்தோம் கிணாங்குத்தோம் தக்கிணக்கிணக்கத்தோம் தகக்கிணக்கிணக்கத்தோம் ஜீங்குநாங்குத்தோம் கிணாங்குத்தோம் பெருகிணாங்குத்தோம் கிணாங்குத்தோம் தக்கிணக்கிணக்கத்தோம் தகக்கிணக்கிணக்கத்தோம் தக்கிணக்கிணக்கத்தோம்.
தொலைநோக்கு பார்வை வேண்டும். அந்த தொலைநோக்கு பார்வை மட்டும் இருந்தால் போகிறது, அதை சென்று அடையணும். பசி நோக்கார் கண் துஞ்சார் கருமமே கண்ணாயினார் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்கு. அந்த மாதிரியில் எங்களுடைய டாக்டர் ராம்நாராயண் அவர்கள் அவரும் பசி நோக்கிறதில்ல, கண் துஞ்சறதில்லை, குரூப்பில் இருக்கிறவங்களையும் அதை பண்ண விடுறதில்லை. அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு குறிக்கோளோட செயல்படுறதுனால தான் இன்றைக்கி நாங்கள் வெற்றி பாதையில் வந்து அம்மன் அருளாலையும் எல்லாருடைய ஆதரவாலையுமே கூட்டு முயற்சியால் இன்றைக்கி இந்த 150வது வெற்றி விழாவை காண்கிறோம். இன்றைக்கி கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக அடிமேல் அடி வைத்து வெற்றி பாதையை நோக்கி நாங்கள் வந்து இன்றைக்கி 200வது நாளை தொட்டு இருக்கோம். இங்கே இருக்கிற எல்லாருடைய ஆதரவாலையும் இந்த ப்ரோக்ராமை மீடியா மூலமாக பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கிற மற்றவங்களுடைய ஆதரவாலையும் கண்டிப்பாக 366வது நாளை வெற்றிகரமாக நாங்கள் அடைவோம். அதற்கு எங்களுடைய அம்பாள் துணையாக இருப்பார்கள், அருள் செய்வார்கள்.
நிகழ்ச்சியின் தொடக்க நிகழ்ச்சியாக குத்துவிளக்கு ஏற்றுவதற்காக இந்திய பாரம்பரிய பரதநாட்டிய உலகின் முடிசூட அரசி சித்ரா விஸ்வரேசன் அவர்களை மேடைக்கு அழைக்கிறேன்.
Good evening to all. This is M. Chandrasekhar, Management Trainee of AMN Global Group. Welcomes you all for the 258th Monumental Day of Kolavili Amman's Natya Thiruvizha. As you all know, we started this journey last year, 2019, to begin with amalgamation of 250 dancers from Natya Kshetra and Chandu's Natyalaya in Bharatanatyam form. We are also going to witness Moni Atam, solo performance by Srimati Shruti Shobhi. She already performed with her students on the Diamond Jubilee Day at Tag Auditorium, T. Nagar. Her performance will be followed by Srimati Sangeeta Bose, duet Odissi performance. Once again, I welcome you all.
குத்துவிளக்கு ஏற்றி நிகழ்ச்சியை தொடங்குவதற்கு எங்களுடைய எக்ஸிகியூட்டிவ் டைரக்டர் மோகன்ராஜ் சார் அவர்களை மேடைக்கு அழைக்கிறேன்.
Dum
சுவாசினி கண்ணன் அவர்களை மேடை கலைக்கிறோம்.
ஸ்ரீ குருபியோ நமஹ. நமஸ்காரம். 250வது நாள் இந்த பிரம்மாண்டமான நிகழ்ச்சியை எல்லாரும் கண்டு ரசிச்சிருப்பீங்க. நாட்டிய திருவிழான்றது ஒரு நாள் ப்ரோக்ராம் இல்லை, 366 டேஸும் நடக்க இருக்கிற ப்ரோக்ராம். அண்ட் இது ஒரு மனிதரால் மட்டும் சாத்தியம் கிடையாது. கோலவெளி அம்மனோட அனுகிரகத்தாலையும் ஆசையினாலையும் தொடர்ந்து நடந்து வந்துட்டே இருக்கு. 376வது நாள் வரைக்கும் வெற்றிகரமாக நடைபெற போகிறது.
காற்றினிலே வரும் கீதம், காற்றினிலே வரும் கீதம், கண்கள் வலித்திட பொங்கும் கீதம், கல்லும் கனியும் கீதம், காற்றினிலே வரும் கீதம், காற்றினிலே வரும் கீதம்.
ஆடும் கால்களின் எண்ணிக்கை கூடிக்கொண்டே போகும். 366ஆம் நாளில் 732 கால்கள் ஆடும். 366ஆம் நாளில் 732 கால்கள் ஆடும்.
அம்பலம் போற்றும் ஆண்டவனே, அம்பலம் போற்றும் ஆண்டவனே, அவனே ஆனந்த கூத்தாடும் தாண்டவனே. அம்பலம் போற்றும் ஆண்டவனே, அவனே ஆனந்த கூத்தாடும் தாண்டவனே.
திருவிழா, நாட்டிய திருவிழா, இது பெருவிழா, நாட்டின் பெருவிழா.
ஏஎம்என் குளோபல் குரூப்பின் கனவு விழா, ஏஎம்என் குளோபல் குரூப்பின் கனவு விழா. நம் தாய் நாட்டிற்கு பெருமை சேர்க்கும் நடன விழா, நம் தாய் நாட்டிற்கு பெருமை சேர்க்கும் நடன விழா. நடன 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 நட நட நடன 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 நட நடராஜனே, நடராஜனே, இல்லை ராஜனே. உன் ஆடும் கால்களினால் இயங்கும் புவிக்கு எங்கள் அர்ப்பணம், நாட்டியம் சமர்ப்பணம்.
Bharat Mata ki Jai.
In fact, our last 10 years journey is really fabulous. Credit goes to our group chairman Kolavili Amman, who brought all of you together. The beauty is, in each and every event, all of you were there. Now the next 10 years, our motto is to give a proper, good education to the society. Regional conclaves, which is not a direct service to the field of education, it's indirect service where we train the trainers. Movie, we have message conveyed like one language, one syllabus with one examination. But all these things were not a direct service, it's indirect service.
Singarambilli School was started in the year 1925 by my grandfather, and NSP Vidyapeetham was started 10 years back. He is almost 96 years old. Dr. R.J. Ramanan considered me as his mentor, and he is my best friend and philosopher. Our thoughts synchronize because we have one thing in common: good education, which serves the society in a better way. He is part of our school and advised me in all respects, and we think of doing together to start and spread education throughout India.
So, as we all discussed some time back, together we will be doing a direct service to the society in the field of education by launching Ram Kanaka Educational Group. Let me repeat, Ram Kanaka Educational Group. The motto of that is proper education. Let me repeat, proper education from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Next 10 years gets completed. Kashmir to Kanyakumari, you will have Ram Kanaka Education Group functioning. To start with, in this year, during Vijayadashmi, the first branch of us will be launched in the city of Chennai. The motto of our school is, we'll have one syllabus common, we'll be taught in one language, and above all, in our school, apart from uniform, which is uniform in every school, marks, each and every child of our school at any various center will have one thing in their mark sheet. If I am Sheila, I have 5 subjects. Sheila of Rayapeta Ramkanaka group of schools will score 80 marks in one subject, means you can rest assured all other subjects are marks will be 80.
Super.
This will not happen overnight. Our aim and motto is, till the standard of 4th, we'll make all these children get into a habit of scoring, or rather attempting to score marks uniformly. But when they all come to 5th standard, from then to 12th standard, you can pick any mark sheet anywhere. We have our branches. All children, they will not have difference in their marks in any subject. Maths, physics, history, geography, English and the language. If I am a 90 student and my total is 450. If I am 80 student, my total is 400. If I am 85 student, my total will be according to that. Then we make the child realize I have the capacity to increase myself. Then automatically when the child realizes, the child will go to the maximum. If you see on the right hand side of your question paper 100 marks, he or she will definitely, by the time they clear the final board examination, by grace of God, with all our inputs and attempts, and above all with the parents and children realization, you can see the mark sheet. At least 7 out of 10 will have 100 marks in all the subjects, which is our motto. And for that we have started dreaming now. Let me repeat, dream, dream, dream till the dream comes true. Our dream of Ram Kanaka Education Group is bring uniformity in child's mark sheet, friends. Let's together make this country a better place to live in. Jai Hind!
Jai Hind.